welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do Tagalog into English.
Wow.
Okay, are you ready, ate?
Are you ready? No, wait, me. Ako magtatanong
Okay.
Dahil ayaw pa nila matulog. So, I'll say in, what do we do? Tagalog. And then you'll translate it in English. Ang gulo naman ng kwarto mo. How do you translate it? Nami first, Nami.
Your room is so messy.
Tama ba yun, te?
Yeah.
Okay. That was easy? Was that easy?
Yeah.
Oh, because Nami is getting good in Tagalog already. So, this is for ate. This is a little bit harder because ate is better than you. Mahirap mag-English.
That's so funny.
Okay.
Guys, don't translate our video. Comment below if you watch your video at United States.
Ano? Okay, ito ate. Ano? Okay. Bilisan mo, malilate na tayo. Ano ka ba?
Bilisan mo na. Malalate na
May
tayo.
ano ka ba? How do you say that in English?
We're gonna
I
keep
Let
forgetting
ate.
what you say.
Ano ba? Sabi ko pa naman better ka than Nami, tas kakalimutan ka na pala. Bilisan mo, malilate na tayo.
Do that one first.
Oh.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late.
Oh. Ikaw, Nam. Tama ba yun? How are you gonna say that?
No.
Ito na lang, English na lang, English.
English to Tagalog.
English sa Tagalog, okay?
No.
Nami.
What?
Your breath stinks. Why don't you brush your teeth?
Yung breath mo nakakaingay, hindi na.
Ano?
Oy!
Ano?
Something hard.
Ano? Ayusin mo. Ano?
Ang baho naman yung breath mo. Dapat mag-toothbrush naman ikaw. Mama, I'm gonna tell you something. Mama, I'm gonna tell
sige,
you
ano?
something.
What? Hininga. Ang baho ng hininga mo.
Wait, I have to say.
Magsupilyo ka
Mama, I have
naman.
to tell you something.
Ano? Saglit lang. Ang ingay mo. Ano? Wala. Ay, tumigil na kayo. Hindi na tayo go vlog.
No.
Ano pa next? Next? Ito kay ate. Ano kaya?
No, ako yung magsasabi ng thing pag hindi mo alam. Please, can I say?
I'm not really sure what to eat. I'm not really hungry today. I'm not really hungry right now.
Hindi ka lang kung anong kakainin. Hindi ako nagugutom. Hindi ako nagugutom.
Ang galing nga.
Now, I'm gonna say what Ate is gonna do. Your breath is so owy. Why won't you go to the doctor?
Anong breath? Anong awi? Anong awi?
Your breath is so owy.
Anong awi yung breath? Hindi naman na-awi yung breath ha. Alam ba yung breath?
I mean, your cheek hurts. Why won't you go to the hospital?
Paano ba yun?
I have no idea what cheek is.
Your cheek? Where's the cheeks? Ano yan sa Tagalog?
I don't know.
Pisngi.
Okay, what did Daddy say?
Your cheeks hurt. Hurt? Why don't you go to the doctor?
Yeah. Yung pisngi mo.
Hurt. Ano yun?
Yung pisngi mo.
Aray ko na ba ginagawa mo na?
Sumasakit. What's the next one?
Why don't you go to the doctor?
Bakit hindi ikaw pumunta sa doktor?
Ano sa doktor? Doktor din, oh. Ang galing ah! Nam, ikaw.
Broke up in my name.
Ito, Nam, ano to? Aren't you sleepy yet? It's already late.
Hindi ba ikaw matutulog? Late na.
Gabing-gabi na, sabi mo.
Gabing-gabi na. I take the Christmas.
Ano ba? Ang harot nga, tama na. Babay na.
No,
Bye!
no, no!
Bye! Ang harot na.